Have you ever wondered if you're truly the smartest person in the room, or if you're missing subtle cues that could elevate your intelligence and success? In this video, we'll unveil 15 surprising signs that set apart the truly brilliant minds from the rest. If you don't watch, you might miss out on key insights that could transform your personal and professional life, leaving you wondering why others seem to effortlessly outmaneuver you in various situations. Get ready to discover if you possess these hidden traits of exceptional intelligence and learn how to harness them for greater success. Number 1, the art of active listening. You talk less and listen more, making others feel important. By paying attention to details, you remember crucial information about people, like their names and personal details. This allows you to engage in meaningful conversations and build stronger relationships. For example, a skilled politician might use this technique to connect with constituents, remembering specific concerns from previous interactions and addressing them in future meetings. Number 2, clarity in communication. You articulate complex ideas in simple terms, demonstrating a deep understanding of the subject matter. Your ability to explain concepts clearly spans across various age groups and educational backgrounds. You don't rely on jargon or technical language to make your point. A renowned scientist like Neil deGrasse Tyson exemplifies this skill, breaking down complex astronomical concepts for the general public in an engaging and accessible manner. Number 3, the power of storytelling. You use metaphors and personal anecdotes to make your arguments relatable and memorable. Your storytelling ability helps others connect with your ideas on an emotional level. You tailor your explanations to fit the listener's reality, showing empathy and adaptability. For instance, a successful TED Talk speaker often employs this technique, using personal stories and analogies to convey complex topics like climate change or artificial intelligence. Number 4, observational prowess. You notice and remember small details that others might overlook, giving you a strategic advantage in social and professional situations. Your keen observation skills allow you to quickly establish common ground with others. You use this ability to build trust and report effortlessly. A skilled detective like Sherlock Holmes, though fictional, demonstrates this trait by noticing minute details at crime scenes that others miss. Number 5, mental preparation mastery. You mentally simulate situations before entering them, preparing for various scenarios and potential questions. This preparation gives you confidence and control in any setting. You appear knowledgeable and reliable due to your thorough mental groundwork. A successful job candidate might use this approach, anticipating interview questions and preparing thoughtful responses in advance. Number 6, the value of privacy. You understand the power of information and keep important details private. You don't overshare and maintain control over your personal narrative. Your discretion makes you trustworthy and adds to your mystique. Successful business leaders like Warren Buffett often exemplify this trait, revealing little about their personal lives while maintaining a strong public persona. Number 7, the weight of your opinion. People seek your approval and listen attentively when you speak. Your judgment is respected due to a track record of making good decisions. Your perspective can change the direction of a situation, even if you're not officially in charge. A respected advisor to world leaders, such as Henry Kissinger, often holds this kind of influence, shaping policy decisions through their counsel. Number 8, quiet confidence. You don't feel the need to prove your intelligence or brag about your accomplishments. Your actions and results speak louder than words. You focus on personal growth rather than competing with others. This quiet confidence is often seen in highly successful individuals like Keanu Reeves, who is known for his humility despite his fame and achievements. Number 9, unwavering focus. You never forget why you're in a particular situation and maintain focus on your primary goal. You can navigate politics when necessary, but always keep your main objective in sight. You're not easily distracted by unimportant matters. A successful entrepreneur like Elon Musk demonstrates this trait, maintaining focus on long-term goals like space exploration and sustainable energy despite numerous challenges and distractions. Number 10. Embracing the unknown. You admit when you don't know something and actively seek out answers. This approach demonstrates humility and a commitment to continuous learning. You view knowledge gaps as opportunities for growth rather than weaknesses. Famous inventors like Thomas Edison embodied this trait, viewing each failed experiment as a step closer to success rather than a setback. Number 11. Commitment to self-improvement. You have a dedicated routine for personal growth and never stop learning. You use your free time productively, consuming educational content or engaging in skill-building activities. This commitment to self-improvement keeps you ahead of the curve. Successful CEOs like Bill Gates often exemplify this trait, dedicating time each day to reading and learning about new topics and trends. Number 12. Balanced self-assessment. You have a realistic view of your abilities, neither underestimating nor overestimating them. You're confident in your problem-solving skills and don't fear challenges. Your self-assurance comes from a history of overcoming obstacles and achieving results. Athletes like Michael Jordan often display this trait, acknowledging their strengths while continuously working to improve their weaknesses. Number 13. Emotional intelligence. You can maintain composure in difficult situations and don't let others' actions negatively affect you. Your emotional stability allows you to navigate complex social dynamics effectively. You protect your energy by choosing your battles wisely. Leaders like Nelson Mandela exemplified this trait, maintaining calm and focus even in the face of extreme adversity and injustice. Number 14. Systems thinking. You excel at seeing the big picture and understanding how different elements interconnect. Your problem-solving approach involves breaking issues down to their fundamental components. You can engage in both casual and in-depth conversations, adapting to various social situations. Visionary leaders like Steve Jobs often demonstrated this ability, seeing how seemingly unrelated ideas could come together to create revolutionary products. But number 15, multi-dimensional intelligence. You can manage multiple games or aspects of life simultaneously without losing focus. You see how different areas of your life impact each other and use knowledge from one domain to improve others. Your intelligence spans across various fields, making you adaptable and well-rounded. Renaissance figures like Leonardo da Vinci epitomize this trait, excelling in multiple disciplines from art and science to engineering and anatomy. Intelligence isn't just about IQ scores or academic achievements, it's about how you navigate the complex game of life. If you've recognized some of these traits in yourself, you're already on the path to success. But remember, true intelligence is about continuous growth and application. If you're intrigued by the prospect of leveraging your smarts for a lifestyle of financial freedom and personal fulfillment, keep watching our previous videos. They tackle more ways to get there and reveal the surprising twists and turns you might encounter along the way. Your journey to becoming not just the smartest person in the room, but also the most successful, is just beginning. Stay curious, stay focused, and let your unique brilliance shine.